Shalom, shalom. People, it's another one. Early AM. We in the backyard, right? We in the backyard. We hungry. But the good thing about living out here in Jamaica in the country, you don't even have to have money to eat. You like I'm building this up? Hold on, let me wipe this screen real quick. You don't even have to have money to eat. Why? Why, Orlando? That's the question. We got food in the backyard, baby. If we ain't got it in the backyard, we got it close by. Look at this. Look at this. What's this right here? Plantanos. Plantanos. It's plantanos. Now we gotta go. Now we going down there. Look at my little brother. He's scared. He think he gonna fall. If you fall, you fall. We got sugar cane. We got mangoes. We got all of that. We got food. Hold on now. It do feel different, but you're gonna have to just walk. Y'all might see me fall. Y'all might not. No, sir. Fabian, you chose the wrong route. Why you came this way? You. You came the wrong route, bro. Cause I usually come from that side. I don't come from this side. Now you got all the talk. Let me show you how to do this. All right, Cream. You about to fall, boy. Go. I bet you want to run down there. It's the backyard, y'all. Oh, shoot. See? Because I'm one with nature, I can do this. Fucks. Yo. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm good now. Look at that. And I got my Crocs in sport mode.
I'm prime time landing in that place this morning.
Look at this, y'all. Let me show y'all. This is my backyard behind my house. What we got here? Y'all want some banana? I got a banana farm. Come on, man. Everything is here that you need. My dad planned all this, not me. But either way, look at that. Coconut. It's the backyard. If you know, you know. Another coconut tree. Ooh, another banana. Ooh, you know, let me show y'all something, because some of y'all ain't gonna know. Some of y'all ain't gonna know. All that right there, that's not just bush. That's yams. Ooh. Them yams, baby. Ooh, another banana, another banana.
That was nice, guys.
Coconut. Hold on there.
You know the coconut for drink?
Yeah, man. Bust one for me.
Right. So you have to steer right, so. Steer right, right there. Right there, so down on the flat, Karen.
Watch this. Y'all know what this is? It's sugar cane. Sugar cane. Man, this some yams. I don't know what kind of yam that is, but I know it's yam.
That's one.
Come on, man. It's like it's football. Just dive on it.
One right there.
Oh, we got the ackee tree up there too. I forgot to say about the ackee tree.
Yeah, be right on the tree, you know.
You scared?
Man, you bite, you'll find out. That's one right there.
Throw it. What? Got them hands too.
Slide down.
Hey boy, time for music. Chef, y'all see the chef? Chef K-Gun in the building, you know. Keegan's Kitchen, y'all go check him out on YouTube. Yeah. Just voice on the phone. Yeah, no choice. Sir? Yeah. Hey, should have went pro.
Nah.
We about to have some boiled bananas. Hold on, I don't even know if I'm on there. Oh yeah, oh dang, he got a good view. We about to have some boiled banana. Dang man.
Remember see that banana there, man. Let's see.
Nah, it's good.
Yeah.
Go for that music though. I get up on tree though. But it'll open me
Then up me.
Yes guys, so that's that. If I had my mic, it would have worked.
Yeah, that's up for the morning X4. You know?
Maybe end it up when I get up there.
I'll show you.
Alright people, not a long video. Just wanted to show you how we live off the land out here in Jamaica. That was just the backyard. Y'all thought we was in the jungle or something? That was just the backyard. You know? So we picked some bananas. We got Aki on the tree. Just one hand. We got some Aki off the tree. We vegan today. We ain't buying nothing. We just proving the point that we can live off the land. We don't have to spend $1 or nothing. Come on down to Jamaica. I got some land for you. I can sell y'all some land. Talk to me.
No, we're not selling nothing.
Nah, we ain't selling nothing. Oh yeah, grandparents said we can't sell nothing. It's in the will. So, but y'all can come stay. We got Airbnb, we got cabins ready.
That was a little morning
Chef Keegan.
garden.
Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share, all of the above. It's your boy Lenny. Look out for more, cause I'm dying for a minute. I got more Jamaica content coming.
Some
Yo, Vasta.
green banana, see you, man.